We all wish we could be prosperous. For most people, it's a far-off dream that eventually we might be able to turn ourselves into self-made millionaires. But the truth is, creating wealth isn't about placing all your hopes into someday. You're never too old to start building wealth, but if you start when you're young, you have far more significant potential to accumulate a wealth, more time to let that wealth compound itself as you grow older. That being said, life in your 20s and 30s is not without its difficulties. You might have student debt, an unstable career, and dozens of unknowns. That keeps you from accomplishing everything you'd like to build your wealth faster. There's no straightforward way to secure yourself a prosperous future, but these 7 strategies can help you do it while you're still young. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel for a great video like this. Number 1. Stop procrastinating. The absurdity of youth thinks that there's always sufficient time for everything. Youngsters often believe that retirement or wealth building is something that comes next in life and are more preoccupied with the interests of the now. Sadly, this often leads to a cycle of "oh, I should do that next month," month after month, until before you know it, you're 10 years older and you've missed out on a decade's worth of compounding interest. The first step is to stop procrastinating. Saving and investing is scary, but the longer you wait to do it, the fewer advantages you have. Number 2. Know that there is no magic. My use of the term secrets in the title of this video might have brought you here, hoping for a guaranteed, almost magical solution to make you wealthy. There isn't one. The primary goals are simple. Make more than you spend and use the excess to invest intelligently. How you invest is up to you, but the obvious goal is to make investments that have a high likelihood of making you more money in the future. That is it. The ways to achieve this are by making more money, spending less, and investing more wisely. Number 3. Invest in yourself. Your next aim should be to invest in yourself. You are the best resource of you to acquire wealth. Investing in yourself means spending more time on your education, refining your own skill sets, and branching out to meet new people who might help you reach your goals. The more educated, skilled, experienced, and connected you are, the more profitable opportunities you're going to get, which means more advantages for you down the road, both of which will help you build a more robust financial foundation. Number 4. Create a budget. Remember the steps from point 2, make more money, spend less, and invest wisely. Point 3. Covered making more money, and this one covers spending less. Make a detailed budget for yourself based on your calculated income and your current expenses. Set specific limits for your expenses and keep a close eye on where most of your money goes. You might be shocked at some of the areas where you waste the most money. Once identified, you can start improving your budget to spend as little as possible and channel the rest into a savings or investment program. Number 5. Pay down your debt. Before you start regularly saving and investing money, it's usually a good idea to pay off any debts you may have owed, like credit card debt, student debt, and car loans. Debt can carry huge interest rates that pull you down, demanding monthly installments that cut away from your revenue, while racking up extra interest and penalties that take away even more money from your future self. Don't let this eat away at your potential. Make it a first-line priority to get rid of your debt as soon as possible. Number 6. Take risk. You're young and you have a lot of years ahead of you. Now is the time to take risks. Invest in higher risk, higher payoff stock opportunities. Consider resigning your job to start your own business. Jump on new ventures and new opportunities. If things go wrong, you'll have plenty of time to make up for it. Most wealthy individuals will tell you one of their most important keys to success has been taking calculated risk. The majority of the population stick with the safe route, so if you want to break away from the pack, you have to try something new, possibly something uncomfortable. Number 7. Diversify. Even though risk-taking is a usually rewarding strategy in your 20s and 30s, it's also a good idea to diversify your struggles. Don't build up just one skill set or one set of professional connections. Don't depend on one type of investment, and don't gamble all your savings on one venture. Instead, try to set up multiple income streams, create several backup plans for your goals and businesses, and hedge your bets by looking for new opportunities everywhere. This will preserve you from catastrophic losses and increase your chances of hitting it big in one of your ventures. By using these 7 secrets in full swing, you'll be able to start amassing wealth no matter where you are in life. Yes, the first steps are hard: paying down your debt, establishing your credentials, building an investment portfolio. But if you do it early and you do it right, you'll set yourself up for massive financial success later on. Now, let's discuss. What points would you like to add? Which other topics would you like our team to cover next? We love to receive your comments. If you love this video, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe now and turn on the notification because we will help you discover the secrets of success. We love you.